Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am back with my monthly rolling perfume tray. So beginning of this year I wanted to do a year-long perfume tray, and I have goals to meet for each perfume I added to my tray. I'll link the original video up here. I gave y'all an update last month. I did complete something, rolled in a new one. So yeah, that's how it goes. This past month in April I did complete another goal or empty out one, which is what I did. So I'll be rolling in another fragrance. So if you guys are interested in seeing and talking about my usage, what was my most used, what was my favorite for the month of April, and what I actually used up, then keep on watching. I'm enjoying it, but y'all let me know what you think of the year-long perfume tray down below. So last month I rolled in the Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit because I actually bought the full size of that, and y'all, this was the one that I finished. You guys, I love this fragrance so much. I'm so glad I have the full size here because I will be wearing her now that it's warmed up here in North Carolina. Yeah, she's probably gonna be my favorite this summer. My most worn fragrance this summer. I love it. I can't get enough. I want to keep wearing it. I just want to keep wearing it. So I did finish this after rolling it in during my last update. So I will be rolling in another travel size. I'll show y'all that at the end of the video. But yeah, she's empty, so you guys will see her in my empties. So let's talk about a fragrance that I used for the first time in a long time, the first time on this tray, and I've really been enjoying, and that is Baby Girl by KKW. You guys know that this is discontinued. KKW is no longer, like, KKW fragrance is no longer, they no longer have it, and this is like a peach, like a perfumey peach fragrance, and it kind of also reminds me of Victoria's Secret teas, like the dry down of it. So when it dries down, it smells like Victoria's Secret teas. So think of that with a bunch of fruity peaches added to it. That's what I get, especially in the dry down. And I love teas. This is so good. It's peachy, it's fruity, it's musky. I really love it. I love this a lot. So, and it's a perfumey scent, so it's not like something, you're gonna know that I'm wearing a perfume. What you're smelling is a perfume. It smells perfumey, and sometimes that's nice. Like sometimes it's just good to have like a perfumey perfume. Oh, I really been enjoying this. I wore this today. I've been wearing this like so many times this week. So y'all, I really love this. But let me tell y'all what I've been pairing it with. So yeah, while I'm wearing Baby Girl, to pair it with, I use Sparkling Peach Sangria by Bath & Body Works, trying to use this up. And this is Sliced Peach, White Wine, and Orange Peel. It's just, and it doesn't even smell like it goes with this fragrance. I can't describe exactly what this is, but it does smell like a peach drink, sort of. It does smell like a white peach, actually. And then I use Just Peachy by Victoria's Secret. And this is a body mist. I believe this is my only peach body mist. So I'm trying to use this up. And this is, once again, White Peach X Sunny Slice. So that's what it says. This is also a white peach fragrance, and I like this as well. So I spray all of that. That's what I do. And then I top this with it, and I just smell so good. I really have been enjoying this combo. So that's what I've been enjoying recently off of my tray, and I'm definitely going to try to do this combo until I use up the lotion, the mist, and this fragrance. Whichever comes first. I'm going to try to use that combo doing all of those. So yeah, because I want to get rid of the lotion, the mist, and I need to use up that perfume because I've had it for a long time. My goal is to fully finish that perfume, and I don't know how much is in there, but that's why I know I want to finish it. So yeah, I've been enjoying that. Alright, so now I'm going to give y'all an update on something that I thought I would have finished, which I pretty much have finished. I could have given myself this rollout, but I didn't. We have Nest Cocoa Woods. I've talked about this before. It's like a chocolatey scent. It's unisex, and it's not like a sweet chocolate. It's like cocoa chocolate. Like, it's legit cocoa. Kind of smells a little masculine, and I've grown to like this, but I went by this. I went by a travel size, another rollerball. I hate rollerballs, but this is my nighttime scent, and my husband notices it when I wear it. He does say something about it, so I think he enjoys it. But y'all, I'm literally like right down here. I could have gave myself this rollout when you open it, it's right here. It's literally in the top, about to fall out. See, it's right here. So I only have like one more use of this. I could have gave myself a rollout, but I'll wait to update y'all the end of May, early June, so y'all will know this is for sure going to be a rollout for our June tray. But yeah, we're almost done with that one. To give you another update on another rollerball I did wear, this is Toka's Florence. This is a rollerball. She's about right here, pretty much in the same place. I think I wore her twice. This is it's a white floor, which I don't mind. It's gardenia. It smells like gardenias in here. And I don't have a problem with gardenia. This is just, it's soft. I feel like it's feminine. People like it if you are into white florals. I've had people compliment me on this, but not recently. Many years ago when I first got it. I wouldn't buy this again. This is just not me. It is a pretty fragrance though, but it can be a little too floral for me. But yeah, I'm trying to use this up, but it's so hard because it's a rollerball, and I really don't like this on my skin, to be honest. So sometimes I just swipe it on some clothes that I don't care about staining. If it stains, which it doesn't, but I do that. I may put a little on my wrist, but I don't really like this. So if someone could tell me, direct me to a video, maybe I should just look at myself, how to change it and put a spray, then I feel like I can get through this. But the goal is to completely finish that because it is a pretty old rollerball. Another one that I will give y'all an update that I have a bigger dent on. This is another nighttime fragrance. This is Amazing Grace. This is what she is looking like. She's all the way down here. So y'all, she is almost done. A few more sprays and I'm done with Amazing Grace. Once again, not a fragrance that I will repurchase. This is a 15 ml, so it's half of a fluid ounce. I got this in a 3 set, so 3 of the Amazing Graces came, and they're all half of a fluid ounce, so it comes up to 1 ml plus another half that goes with this. So I may roll those in with after this one, but yeah, my goal is to finish this. It's a 90s smell. It kind of smells shampoo-y, but not like a fruity shampoo. It just smells shampoo-y. I don't know how to describe it. Shampoo-y, but it's not fruity or anything, but it's like a 90s shampoo. Definitely had some aunts wearing this, so I would not buy that again. And another update, another one that I thought I would have finished is the Laura Mercier Eau Gourmand Ombre Vanille. Y'all, I love this. I'm still loving this even though it's hot outside. I really don't want to use this up, but the top is missing, so I have to use it up. As y'all can see, she is almost done. She's down to here, so I'm pretty close to finishing this, and I don't want her to be done. I love it. I got this for such a good price at TJ Maxx because I believe they were repackaging this, so they were like $20. I should have, if I would have known how good it was, I would have got so many. But now I'm sure it costs like $80, probably even more now for this. But I really, really love this. If they still sell it. Hopefully they still sell it. We'll definitely have that finished by next round because I'm still going to be wearing that during the day, at night, before bed, all that. I'm trying to think, what else have I worn? Oh, when me and my husband went on vacation, I did take this with me. This is Coach Poppy Blossom. This is also discontinued. My goal is to completely finish this up, and this is where I am. So, I mean, she hasn't moved that much. I'm almost halfway done with this. This is only a 1 fluid ounce, so it should be pretty easy. This is fun. It's fruity, another fruity floral. I love it. This used to be one of my favorite fragrances. Now I have other favorites, so it's not my favorite anymore, but I do still enjoy this. I bought this off of Macari from someone, and I felt like it was old when I got it, but you know, when you spray it, it does get the regular scent back. But I feel like I don't know how long that person had it, so I want to use it up and enjoy this for the last time because I will not repurchase because it is discontinued, and I had a hard time finding this. I couldn't find this anywhere. The only place I could find it was on Macari from someone reselling an older one that they had. So yeah, I'll be done with that for good. I'm trying to think, did I wear anything else? Y'all, I think that's it that I wore on my tray. There's still a few things that I have not worn on this perfume tray yet. So I definitely want to try to wear some things, and I'm definitely noticing what I like and what I don't like. And it has me contemplating if I'm going to be able to meet those goals for those. So that is the update. So now we're going to get into what I'm going to be rolling in to take the place of Sunfruit by Ellis Brooklyn. And this one, I have a hard time with this fragrance. I don't know if I like it or if I do like it. So I'm rolling it in, not to even finish because I don't want to do that to myself, just to get it to a certain goal. So I'll show you guys. And this fragrance is Kayali's Yum Pistachio. Yum Pistachio Gelato. And as you guys can see, I'm about right here. So I did wear it a couple of times. And this is supposed to be a pistachio fragrance. But to me, it's like very clean. Let me spray to get another, to refresh my memory because I have not worn this. I'm smelling pistachio now, y'all. It smells better now. It has it because it's sat so long. I have not worn this in so long. I think I like it. I do still get a clean vibe to it. So could I finish this whole bottle? Should I make that my goal? Because I've already started using it. Because I was going to say I'm just going to go but below the word Yum Pistachio Gelato 33. I just wanted to get to right here, but it's a travel size, so I feel like it's pointless putting in a travel size and not completing it for this project, because I'm only going to add stuff that I don't really wear, not anything that's new or I don't have an issue wearing. So the goal for this is going to be to finish it. So I'm adding in another roller ball to finish, and she definitely won't be rolled out for June. I don't see that happening. So we'll switch things up next month. So yeah, that is it for my rolling perfume tray. If you guys are wondering what the other fragrances are on my tray, watch my original video. You guys will see, and I did kind of show you guys a clip of it in my last video as well. I have all those videos linked in the cards above. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. If you have any video suggestions or videos you'd like to see from me, then make sure you comment them down below, and I will see y'all on my next one. Love you guys. Bye.